Now I am going to tell Nemati helminthes, which is also called Ashi helminthes. Okay, these Nemati helminthes, these are also worms which will come from anus when we eat lot of sweet or anything we feel itching in anus. This causes anemia. So small worms, white worms will be seen in our human beings. So this is the structure. The special character is this is you up to before that is only male and female not different, but here male and female different. This is not hermaphrodite. The example they gave here is Ascaris roundworm, Wucheria. This is filaria worm. Sorry, I told earlier. Filaria worm, the lymphatic gland. So this, the cream color. This will be cream color. Okay, small, very small. These are complex body differentiation. The speciality is here. First time nerve cord will be present. Nerve cord. One more. These are all small animals. No specimens you will see in your laboratory. The digestive system is completely present, well developed. So they gave in even two small amphiceps chemoreceptor organs, and reproduction is also internal reproduction. So the muscular pharynx, the special this organ is muscular pharynx is present here in this, and the special point you should remember. Next I will move on to Annelida, earthworm, which is a farmer's friend. Farmer's friend, earthworm. Earthworm comes under even in water that what is that name? Hydrodonaria, blood sucking. Even Jerre, Nereis are also present in this. Why this name is called Annelida? Because of annulations. Metamerization present. Annulations means the body structure contains, suppose earthworm, this one, see, these each contains one organ also. Because of these separate, one divided, this is because of this is called Annelida. So here in Annelida, the little you can see the diagram here. See, this hydrodonaria contains the, even in this also, lot of centipedes, millipedes will come under this. Nephridia is the excretory organ, special structure. Leeches are monoecious, some are dioecious, some are aquatic, some are marine. Even little bit better body differentiation is present in this Annelida. And triploblastic, this is also triploblastic, and nerve cord ganglia will be present. In further classes you will learn especially about all systems, even digestive system, excretory, circulatory, everything you will learn about this. So these are why this is called farmer's friend. It loses the soil. So there is no need to dig the farmer the land. Because of that it is called. So the digestive system first time contains pharynx, esophagus, even clitellum will be present, stomach, intestine. If you cut here, you will immediately see everything. It is very small blood cut. It is very easy to do that. Next I will move on to Arthropoda. Arthropoda this is a biggest phylum as of now. This contains lot of insects. Arthropoda. Poda means feet. Jointed leg, jointed feet, jointed appendages. Suppose cockroach. You take an example of cockroach. Head, thorax, abdomen present. White blood will be there. Like butterfly it looks. But prawn, butterfly, all will come. Feathers will be there. And head, thorax, jointed appendages, gills are present. Malphizian tubules are the excretory organ. even silkworm comes under this, Anopheles mosquito comes under this. This contains lot of insects. Arthropoda contains lot of insects. So you can draw one by one and learn this arthropoda. And in this spider also will come. This contain jointed legs, organ system and bilaterally symmetry. This is the first one, bilaterally symmetry, paired ganglia present. Excretory, circulatory system is open system. I told already oviparous, viviparous. One more concept you will learn here. Oviparous and viviparous, which is egg-laying animals. These are egg-laying. That's why it is called oviparous. All mammals we come under viviparous. Fertilization is external. All this. Please read the examples they given. Even they will ask in your board exams. They will ask you the scientific name of each animal. Next I will move on to mollusca. Mollusca is a snail. Snail. Even the specialty head, muscular foot, visceral hump present. Even octopus comes under that. And radula. The mouth contains file-like. The special points are muscular radula. The mouth contains to catch the prey or food. Even muscular foot and other head, foot, hump, body differentiated, chitin. So gills are aquatic, photoreceptors, sexes are separate. This is also oviparous and this is both terrestrial and aquatic. So suppose octopus, big 8 will be there. Head and fruit, hump present in this. So last one, I am moving to the tabular form. You please remember Echinodermata. Echinodermata means in name only spiny skinned. Spines will be there on body. Spiny skinned dermata. Spiny skinned animals. Suppose starfish. The speciality is, this is again radial symmetry. I told no, radial symmetry. This contains water canal system. The blood vascular system is water canal system. This contains small tube feet. Here you cannot see upper side. This walk with small, very small, which is button, small. Okay. So this is free living and marine. Body is bilateral. Even you say, when you differentiate all these, see here, each and every porifera is cellular. See here, Echinodermata, organ system, radial symmetry, coelomate, but segmentation is absent. Only segmentation is present in Annelida and Arthropoda only. Segmentation, the differentiation, you can put as a tick mark here, which is present, which is absent, you can write. And digestive system is complete, means complete and incomplete. They will ask you one more point, okay, concept. Complete and incomplete means, complete means which contains mouth and anus for digestive system, okay. Here incomplete means only eating one will be there, digestive. Living one also same, from mouth only it will come. So here in Echinodermata it is complete, mouth and anus present, even circulatory are present, water vascular system, like that they gave for porifera, speciality character, and which is absent, which is present. Next I will teach you these vertebrates. I hope you understand invertebrates. Next class I am going to tell this agnatha. Thank you.